Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Pinterest tag on your Pinterest app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on settings, then you come to next window here or your settings app. On your settings window, then you just go down, you click here on apps, then you come to apps window and you just go down here to looking for Pinterest app here in this window here. We will just go down to find the Pinterest. We will click here on Pinterest, then we come to Pinterest app and we click here on for stop, then we click here on OK, and we just go down, we click here on storage, then we come to storage window, you just click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data, and you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do to fix that problem on your Pinterest app. Just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.